Hello viewers, I go by the name Kobin Around, a student of Secondary College and a proud social science student. So today we will be discussing about an interesting topic in ICT, Information and Communication Technology. The topic that we'll be tackling today is guided and unguided networks. So at the end of this section, you will be able to identify what a guided network is, what an unguided network is, and the meaning of a network to us. So before we tackle the main issue, there are some key ideas that we need to know before we can tackle what we're about to do. So now we'll start with the key ideas that we need to know. So the first idea that we need to know is architecture. So when we talk of architecture, architecture refers to the design and structure of a network, which describes how devices and components interact. Simply, you can say that architecture refers to interaction between devices and their components. So we continue with communication. Communication is something we do in our everyday life. We all communicate with friends, parents, guidance, teachers, even what I'm doing right now, we are communicating. So the definition for communication is the exchange of data or information between devices with network using protocol. I take it again. Communication refers to the exchange of data or information between devices with a network using protocol. So we'll continue with a client. What is a client? A client refers to a software or hardware that makes a request from a server. I take it again. A client refers to a hardware or software that makes a request from a server. And what's a server to? A server is also a software hardware that makes a server is also a software or a hardware that also provides services to a client. So services, so let's say client and a server